Students, let us start the second chapter of Geography, the physical features of India. Physical divisions are based under various physiographic divisions, that is Himalayan mountain, Northern plain, Peninsular plateau, Indian desert, islands and the coastal plains. The mountains, the first feature, which are geologically young and certainly fold mountain. These are in the northern part of India and runs in the west-east direction. That means from Indus River to the Brahmaputra River. They form an arc, cover a distance of about 2400 km. Their width varies from 400 km in Kashmir to almost 150 km in Arunachal Pradesh. It consists of three parallel ranges. The three ranges Himadri, Himachal and Shivalik. Himadri, the other name is Inner Himalayas. Himachal is in between, that is Lesser Himalayas, and Shivalik is the outer. Himadri's average height is 6000 meter and width from 400 to 150 km. Himachal's average height is 3700 meter and 4500 meter, whereas Shivalik is 900 to 1100 meter and its average width is 10 to 50 km. Himadri is composed of granite and always covered with the snow. Himachal, it has highly compressed rocks, and Shivalik has unconsolidated sedimentary rocks bounded by rivers. These are the given examples at the end, like Mount Everest in Himadri, Himachal, Dauladhar is there. In Shivalik, dunes are present there. Beside longitudinal, these can be divided on the basis of river valley, that is Punjab Himalayas, Kumaon Himalayas, Nepal Himalayas and Assam Himalayas. Punjab is between Indus and Satluj River. Kumaon is between Satluj and Kali River, whereas Nepal Himalayas lying between the Kali and the Tista River and Assam between Tista and Dihang. Duns, the longitudinal valley lying between Lesser Himalayas and Shivalik. The examples are Dehradun, Kotli Dun and Patli Dun. The Purvanchal, as shown in the map, beyond the Dihang Gorge, these Himalayas are sharply bent to the south and spread along the eastern boundary of India. The example is Naga Hills, Patkai Hills and Mizo Hills. The northern plains where we live, it is formed by three major rivers, Indus, Brahmaputra and Ganga, along with the tributaries. It is formed by the alluvial soil, covers 7 lakh square kilometer area, which is about 2400 km long and 240 to 320 km broad. It is very populated area. The reason fertile soil is there, adequate water supply is there. Then northern plain is divided into three sections, Punjab, Ganga and Brahmaputra. According to the variation in relief, these can be divided into four different regions. First is Bhabar. When river descend from the mountain, they deposit pebbles of 8 to 16 km in width. Here, streams will disappear. Then Terai, in the south of Bhabar, streams again re-emerge. That is why it is a wet, swampy, and we can say this is the marshy region available here. Bhangar, it is formed by old alluvium. It is above the floodplain of the river, which is comparatively less fertile and away from the river. Khadar, this is new one. This is near the river, comparatively more fertile, and this area is good for agriculture.